These are common acronyms in Nigerian Pidgin English. JJC, Johnny Just Come. This is a neophyte, a beginner, a person that is new to a place. JJD, Johnny Just Drop. It's the same as JJC that can be used interchangeably. MAGA, MAGA, MAGA. MAGA means Mumu always give away. It's used by internet fraudsters to refer to their victims. FFO, food for only. Food for only refers to someone who loves food. JT, John Thomas, that is the male penis. FOC, that means free of charge. OBO, Omo Baba Olowo, a rich, spoiled kid. TDB, till daybreak, until the break of dawn. Can say the party not till TDB. The party is until the break of dawn. MMR, Mumu Miss Road, used for someone that gets lost when looking for a place. APU, Aproko Progress Unit. A person who pokes noses into other people's affairs is said to belong to this club. AK Police. ASAP, ASAP, as soon as possible or very fast. CAF, the short form of cafeteria. EP, enemy of progress. G4, gari, that is a very popular staple food made from cassava flour. G-boys, Yahoo boys involved in internet fraud. GM, guy man, a male that is reputable for pulling a fast one on people. H, just the letter H, means hungry. ITK, I too know, used for one who believes he or she knows everything. JB, someone who is not smart, an idiot, a fool. K-leg, someone with knock knee or something that goes wrong, like a situation or a business, something futile or worthless. For example, that man get K-leg. That man is knock-kneed. Another example, the business last week get K-leg. The business last week didn't yield any fruit. KGB, Kwanangida bag, bag that prostitutes carry about. LWKMD, laugh won't kill me, like laugh it out loud, used when something is very funny. NFA, no future ambition, used mostly for jobless men and women, used for someone who is not keen on looking for employment or something to do. NTA, Nigerian Television Authority. NYSC, now your suffering continue. It's gotten from NYSC, which is the National Youth Service Corps, a mandatory service rendered to the country by every higher institution graduate in Nigeria, but it was coined now to Now your suffering continue. OYO, on your own. Whatever happens, you're on your own. Don't get me roped in or involved. TK, Tokumbo, used for second-hand goods brought from overseas. X, leave a place. The letter X means leave a place. For example, I beg X for year. Please leave this place. The letter Y means why. And number 6 means common sense.